Go ahead and set your parking brake. What's going on, everyone? It's toned up here. So today I'm going to show you how you do some basic maintenance on your car. So what I'm going to do today is oil change, clean the air filter and oil it. In your case, you might have to replace the air filter. And I'm going to add some fuel injection cleaner into the gas tank. After jacking up the car, I place my car on the ramps. You can choose to put on jack stands. I just came back from a run, so the engine's still hot. I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute. I'm gonna remove the oil cap, and the oil I'm using is 5W30. I'm gonna run synthetic oil in this car. So while the engine is cooling down, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the air filter. After thoroughly spray with the cleaner, I'm gonna wait for around 15 minutes before I hose it off. When I first took it out of the car, it was dirty with all kind of crap in it. Now it's all clean. I'm gonna find a spot in the sun. I'm gonna let it dry. Meantime, I can go ahead and work on my car and do the oil change. I'm doing an oil change on my 2000 Silica, and for this job I need a 14mm socket. If the bolt is on your car is a little tight, you might need a breaker bar. I know mine is not that tight, so I'm just gonna use the socket wrench. Let's go ahead and put the oil catcher in there. While you're under your car, I recommend do a thorough inspection. Look for oil leaks, look for any kind of damages that you don't normally see. Check the axle area, look at the axle boots, and also the tie ends of the rubber boots. Make sure they're not torn. Look for leaks in the struts area. I noticed there's a wet spot right by the oil pan area. I think the oil pan gases is going bad. I think the oil is coming from there. Not 100% sure. Let's go ahead and remove the oil drain bolt. Have your oil catcher ready. This will be messy. Sometimes the oil will come out and cause a splash. You should put a piece of cardboard if you don't want the oil go everywhere. I saw some scrape marks on the bottom of my oil pan, so that could be the reason the gasket area is leaking oil. So I might have hit something. Go ahead and apply a little oil onto the oil filter seal. So when you put it back, it will seal a lot better. Always hand tighten your oil filter. And this will get recycled. So after the air filter is dry, I went ahead and spray the air filter oil on it on both sides. Alright, the oil change is done, and we can go ahead and lower the car. Alright, once the car is level, go and start the car up, let it run for a few minutes, allow the oil to circulate through the engine and also through the oil filter. Go ahead and turn off the engine and wait for a little bit and go on and inspect the dipstick. Make sure the oil is in between the upper and lower indicator marks. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like and please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you next time on the next video. Bye.